Hello, my name's Ben, and I'm a working bass player and composer based here in Nashville, Tennessee. I've been an avid music lover my entire life, and I was drawn to the bass because of its unique role in music. It's foundational, but it also has a very melodic and expressive voice. I'm deeply influenced by jazz, gospel, pop, soul, and Motown. These are all genres where the bass line isn't just support, but is also a driving voice in the music. My experience goes from walking bass lines on upright to playing rock-solid syncopated grooves in pop and soul, to playing complex material of jazz fusion, and I've even done synth bass work. I've got my Moog right here. On the composition side, I've always been a huge fan of film music. It has a lot of depth and versatility. It uses orchestral writing, jazz language, as well as modern synthesis. I've done arranging for full orchestras. I've written for big bands. I've also done complete synth-based productions. Currently, I lead an award-winning jazz fusion project with strong production and cinematic influences. It allows me to push myself as both a bass player as well as a composer. Throughout my own journey, I've learned that everyone really has a unique musical voice. I don't think anyone's voice is like mine, and I don't think anyone's voice is like yours. So my goal here is to help everyone discover their own voice, whether as a writer or a player or both. I hope to help you with that journey.